How to log into Westpac credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into your Westpac credit card account online. So first of all, you have to open any of the web browser and go to westpac.com.au. And once you're on the website, click on the sign in option that is highlighted in red color in the top right corner of the screen. Now in the sign-in portal, enter your customer ID followed by the correct form of your password. And if you set up an additional authentication, you may also need to provide further verification. After successfully logging into your account, you will be directed to your Westpac online banking dashboard. And from there, navigate to the credit card option by selecting the relevant option from the menu. And once you have access to your credit card account, you can view the details like your current balance, your recent transactions, payment due dates, and more. To apply for a new Westpac credit card account, visit the credit card section on the website to explore different options. Compare the features, benefits, and fees of each card to choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you have made your selection, simply click on the card, and before applying, make sure to review the eligibility criteria for the specific credit card you're interested in. Factors such as income, employment status, credit history, and residency may affect your eligibility. Just follow the prompts on the screen to activate your Westpac credit card account. And this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or need clarification, you can simply reach out to us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.